How to unhide apps on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can unhide apps on Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to unhide the apps, first of all, let's go on with the process of hiding the app. So basically, if you are on a Samsung phone, the settings may vary from phone to phone. But for this video specifically, I'm using a Samsung phone. So in order to do that, when you go to the app section, you'll be finding a three dot at the top right corner. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding two options here, short and settings. Just click on settings, and after clicking on settings, when you scroll a bit, you'll be finding this option called hide apps here. Just click on it, and when you click hide apps, you'll be finding all of the apps that are available on your device. So let's say I'm gonna hide these two apps, for example, for now, and it will appear under the seeded app section, and tap on done. And when you get back to your home page, those two apps won't be visible on your page of your app section. So in order to unhide those apps, head over to the same settings again, tap on the three dot, go to settings and go to the hide app section. After that, unhide these by tapping on that minus icon and tap on done. After that, those two apps will appear on your app section again. So that's how you basically hide and unhide apps on Android device. So therefore, follow the steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.